Everyone, today the machine we're reviewing directly refreshes the ceiling of wheeled vehicles. 2026 Toyota Tenderbone 12 by 12 Motorhome. How is it just a vehicle? It is clearly a mobile fortress that can conquer all terrains. It integrates absolute freedom, hardcore power, ultimate comfort into one. Specifically built to conquer all the distant places you normally cannot reach. If you have ever dreamed of driving a motorhome across deserts and climbing mountains, and at night lie in a 5-star king-size bedroom and sleep peacefully, then this vehicle is your ultimate dream machine. It has never been an ordinary motorhome, but a powerful statement. Adventure has never had limits. Built on an extreme 12-wheel drive platform, it was born to crush ordinary RVs and terrains that make others step back. Without losing Toyota's inherited refinement and reliability, this directly pushes off-road and luxury to a new height. At first sight, it completely dominates like a crushing machine. Huge off-road tires firmly grip the ground, reinforced body panels, thick and highly noise-resistant. Ground clearance easily crosses rocks and trenches. The whole vehicle posture shows unstoppable dominance. But can you believe such a hardcore giant? The design also hides modernity and elegance. The lines are not rough, not messy, tough yet refined. The more you look, the more addictive it becomes. Speaking of performance, this 12-wheel beast directly raises the benchmark of the motorhome world by several levels. The Power Heart is a heavily upgraded twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, born for heavy off-road and long-distance assault. Expected output power exceeds 700 horsepower. The key is terrifying torque even at low RPM. Even fully loaded with living equipment, full tanks of fuel and water, top-spec luxury interior, this giant still runs effortlessly. Instead, it carries a crushing confidence and authority, simply outrageous. The 12-wheel drive system is the real trump card. It can intelligently distribute power to each axle. Sand trap, snow slipping, mud stuck, rock stuck does not exist. No matter the terrain, it grips firmly. Traction fully maxed. The advanced adaptive suspension is even more impressive. Real-time adjustment, ground clearance, and damping, even if outside are shell craters, rock piles. Inside the cabin, it is still steady like flat ground. You can drink coffee without spilling. Most surprising is handling for such a long body. It can flexibly move through narrow mountain roads. Steering assist plus rear axle control completely breaks the stereotype of big vehicles being clumsy. Driving it on winding mountain roads more handy than many SUVs. Plus powerful braking system and energy recovery, even steep downhill is handled steadily. Sense of safety fully maxed. Who says giant motorhomes can only move slowly? This Tenderbone tells you, big size can also run fast. It is indeed not born for racing. High-speed cruising is no problem. Top speed estimated at 140 kilometers per hour. Remember, it carries a whole luxury apartment. This result amazes everyone. The advantage of the hybrid turbo system fully shown when overtaking and climbing steep hills. Instant torque on demand, acceleration smooth and rapid, no heavy feeling at all. During long cruising, the cabin is quiet like a library, stable and comfortable. Drive thousands of kilometers without feeling tired. This is what long-distance adventure should be. More considerate is the intelligent driving mode. Eco, cruise, performance driving, all-terrain off-road one-button switch. Flexibly adjust according to road conditions. Perfect balance of power and efficiency. Worry-free and fuel-saving. Whether cruising on endless highways or tackling rugged roads, it allows you to respond calmly and confidently. Finally, talk about price. This divine vehicle is not prepared for ordinary buyers. It targets explorers pursuing ultimate experience, collectors, and top adventure enthusiasts. With 12-wheel drive chassis, 700 horsepower hybrid system, luxury interior modules, cutting-edge off-road technology, its price is expected to exceed $750,000 US. Fully equipped version easily exceeds $1 million. But think carefully. What you buy with this money is a vehicle that can take you around the world, a 12-wheel adventure machine, plus a luxury mobile home you can settle anywhere without sacrificing comfort, safety, and performance. This is not buying a car, it is buying a boundless adventure lifestyle, absolutely worth every penny. To summarize, 2026 model Toyota Tenderbone 12 by 12 Motorhome is the ultimate form of future adventure vehicles. It combines super strong off-road ability, terrifying power, extreme speed, ultimate comfort all in one, creating a truly unstoppable mobile fortress. It never asks where the end of the road is, it simply presses the accelerator to surpass the end. If Toyota really builds it,